What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching. Today we're back in the city of Menifee at the Homes by Pulte. This is going to be a short video because we're getting into two single-story homes. So honestly, probably won't take that long. It is a very beautiful day. We've had rain all week. I did not think I was going to be able to get out here and shoot. But the two homes we're getting into, one is 2,100 square feet. The other is 2,300 square feet. And definitely one of the big sales points on these ones, they're starting in the low 620s, and these are all on good sized lots. About 6,000 is the lowest. I did see a couple up to about 9,000 square feet, which is just under a quarter of an acre. Now, a little about this community, taxes over here about 1.95%, which is really, it's the going rate for new builds if that's what you're looking for. Also HOA, it's on the lower side. These are about $81. It's about $81 for the HOA in here. Now this community, there are 3 different tracks going on at the same time. I did a bigger video. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get uploaded first. Those start at about 2,300 square feet, go up to about 3,300. They had one with a full-on guest suite. I'll try and link that at the end, or vice versa. If that's one you wanna check out, shoot me a message. I'll make sure to get you in touch. But before we get into these two homes, my name is Justin King. My wife Allison and I run a real estate team out here in Southern California. And what we do is make these videos for folks like you looking for information on buying, selling, relocating, or just what to do in the Southern California area. If there's any questions I can answer for you or anything I can do for you at all, feel free to reach out. My contact information is below. Whether it's 2 weeks from now, 2 years from now, 2 months from now, whatever, I will be around. And I love helping you guys get a game plan going. So that way when you are ready, it is a smooth move out here to Southern California. And we are posting content like this weekly. Lately, it's been a little more frequent. There's a lot of information that I want to cover, so I've been a little more out there. Like I said, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do get alerted. Also, if you know anyone that could get benefit from this video or any of my others, please share it with them. It helps the channel grow. And I do like making this kind of content, so the more support, the better. But all right, with all that said, let's take a look at these homes by Pulte in the city of Menifee, California. We're gonna go a little out of order. Normally I start small, go big, but I'm still waiting for them to finish opening up. So we're gonna get into the bigger one first. This is the Parklane. This is 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. And this is 2,400 square feet, just under 25, 2,462 square feet. And this is starting at $769. Let me flip it around for you. So both these homes are gonna be single story. And this is on the heritage side of this community in Menifee. And like I said, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths. Pricing starting at $769, and this is the biggest single story they have. There's 3 total. Nice big open entryway walking in. 3 total. We're able to get into 2 of them today. If you want a video on that 3rd one, when they get that one built out, let me know. I will shoot you a private video. All right, nice big open living room, opens right into the kitchen. So walk-in pantry also. Lots of counter space. And this is your view as you're cooking, preparing, entertaining of the television area. And it's got this dining area, which actually is a really kind of cool place. I know it probably feels kind of weird when you're in the backyard. But you get a whole view of the house there. They do have that optional. They call that an additional structure design. You basically get a patio cover out of it though. And your primary bedroom. So let's give it a view from here. And this living room is huge. I don't know if you can tell, but there's lots of room behind. The couches on both sides. So you get a feel for all the living space here. All right, let's take a tour of the primary bedroom now. And these are some massive ceilings. These are 9 feet tall. It feels taller though. And this home does have a 3-car tandem garage option. You got a 2-bay garage, but it has the 3rd bay tandem. Let's go through here. Dual vanities. And a nice big walk-in closet. Nice big primary bathroom here. Goes right into the primary bed. If you wanted to put like a barn door or something there, it'd probably give it some good separation. Got your own little entry. And give you a shot of that kitchen again. So, and a little bit about this community again. $81 a month HOA. Taxes over here are about 1.95%. That's your half bath. And a linen closet. Like I said, big open entryway. And for your solar, you have two options. You can lease or you can own. This bedroom has its own bathroom here too. So this would be bedroom 3. It's got its own bath and walk-in closet. So what a lot of these builders are doing now, they're making it easier to do this kind of multi-generational living. Hence, a lot of these bedrooms are separate. These extra bedrooms are separate from the rest of the house and have their own smaller bathroom nooks, and that would be your laundry. Now, this is one of the more interesting layouts I've seen for the kids or additional bedrooms. So we're right here at the end of the hall, going in this way, and you got the kids' bathroom down here. And then all 3 bedrooms kind of tucked away over here. I think it's kind of cool. I imagine if you have really little ones, it's probably inconvenient. Probably feel a little inconvenient being that separated, you know, when they need you more, but as they get older. Okay, and that was bedroom 4. And bedroom 5. So these rooms they're actually huge. So again, this was the biggest model here. This was 2,400 square feet on 2,460. Lot size on some of these are up to about 8,000, so plenty of space. I'll give you another view of this living area because I think it's actually really cool. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is this a winner or no? So all right, that was the Parklane. I keep wanting to say Penny Lane. I'm not even a Beatles fan. But that was the Parklane. Next one we're getting into is the Stella. And the Stella is a smaller model here. It's 2,191 square feet. And it's actually the sales office. 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 to 3 bathroom. Starting at about 622,000. Let me flip it around. Okay, so like I said, this is the Stella. There's another model in between these two that's not modeled. That's funny, another model not modeled. Another model of these homes that they don't have built out, and that one is a 2,300 square feet. If you would like information on that one, shoot me a message. I'll try and get you a video. But now back to the current video. This is Stella, 2,191 square feet. We'll dive more into that in a moment. And this is starting from about 622,000. And you have a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom option. So kitchen, dining room, and living room all open into each other. There's a lot of counter space. Don't be fooled by the video. Nice big walk-in closet. And this is all your counter space. And again, kitchen opens right to the main area. So entertaining wise, this could be a dream. And this would be your dining room. In this one also, you do have the option to build out this little patio cover area here. So quartz countertops are pretty standard here. And that would be your living room. So now your primary is located right off the side here. And as you come in, the primary bathroom is right off the front. So it kind of adds a little bit of separation between you and the rest of the house. And One thing I want to point out, I don't know if the video catches it well, you got 2 sinks, but one there, so his and hers, or vice versa. Oh, walk-in closet, tons of space. Shower, and this one does not have the tub option, just the shower. And now into the primary bedroom. One thing about all the homes in this community, they have huge windows. And they got the tunes pumping. I don't know if you guys can hear it through here. Hopefully it doesn't interfere too much with my audio. And you got this little hallway coming through. You guys, another shot of the kitchen, living area. Of course, dining room over there. And this little nook type thing, normally this would be like your formal dining. And here they're modeling them a little different. I think that's a sign that the times are changing, because in a lot of resale homes, people don't really use the dining area from what I see. So it is interesting seeing the builders, take that into account when they are modeling these and trying out different things. And you got your storage closet. Personally, I think this is me. Like I mentioned before, I have 3 kids. I think I would leave that as like family entertainment room, and this here is like maybe playroom, homework area, place for the kids to just go and spaz out and do their thing. So through here, you have a very large laundry room with the wash basin, obviously laundry cabinets, and then nice little coat closet. So one thing I do like about this is it has the big entryway, but it all has a point. So bedrooms down there, laundry there. I don't know what you call that. Playroom, formal dining, what have you. So, and then just that all kind of funnels you into the main area. So now we do have a couple more bedrooms down here to check out. So 2 bedrooms. And these bedrooms, they're all big, they're all good size. It's one of the nice things about single story homes. It just feels like the bedrooms are always a lot bigger. You have the walk-in closet there. And the last bedroom, of course, as well as with a walk-in closet. So nobody's really hurting for space in this one. Everyone has their own areas. And this would be the common bathroom or the kids' bathroom. And again, I don't remember if I showed it in this video. They do give you the option to work with their vendors on their furniture. So, okay, that wraps up the Stella. I do like the way this is laid out, actually. That wraps up the Stella. Again, this was about 2,100 square feet. 2,100 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms. This is starting in the low 620s. So definitely an affordable option. Smaller side for some of the new builds that we've been showing lately, but the space I'd say is used very well. Now we did check out 2 homes today. There is one more that is not modeled, but if you guys want to video that one, shoot me a message. I'll try and get something when they have it come available. It's a 2,300. It's a 2,300 square foot. That one is starting in the 630s. Starting in the 630s, and that's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I'll have scrolling images or something going over it. But if you want information on that one or a private tour, shoot me a message and I will make sure to get us in. Okay, it is a lovely day out here today. I don't know if it's a little windy on my mic or not, but we'll finish up out here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. It does mean the world to me it does mean the world to me. To wrap up, we're in the city of Menifee. These are Pulte Homes. This is called Banner Park. I do have another video with the other ones. There was 3 in here. On the other side, they have, I believe, 6 others, 3 in each community. And those, obviously, they're a lot bigger. They start at about the same price, $640 all the way up to about $800. But for today's video, we looked at 2,100 square feet and 2,400 square feet. If you'd like more information on those, or if there's any questions I can answer, feel free to reach out. My contact information is below. Like I said, whether it's 2 days from now, 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now, You know, I'm here to serve and support you on the highest possible level. So again, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.